नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा आमीन या रब्बिल आलमीन। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। In our previous class, we learned some of the points regarding plural as we have started the number adadu. So, plural was divided into two of the kinds. The first one, sound plural, and external plural is also called Jama Salim. It is also called the regular plural because Jama Salim is made with one patron, the suffix which is added with the word kalima. Affixation means prefix, infix, and suffix. In linguistics, these are the terms when any morpheme is added in the starting of any word to make a new word is called prefix, and when any morpheme is added in the midst of any word is called infix, and when a morpheme or one or two set of morphemes is added in the very last of the word is called suffix. So sound morpheme has got only one patron, that was una, ina, atun, atin. Una, waw sakin and noon nasab. Ina, ya sakin and noon nasab. Before this morpheme, when there is a rafa position of the last letter of the word, it is made plural: muslimuna, munafiquna, kafiruna, salihuna, sadiquna, just like this. That's the nominative case. And when we have learned all this, when it is muslimina, sadiqina, salihina, munafiqina, kafirina, like this, this is the one patron. This is called accusative condition status of a noun in plural. So genitive is the same, we learned in our previous class. And now this is the Jama Mukassir or Taksir. Jama Mukassir or Taskir is called broken plural, is called internal or irregular plural. Broken plural involves changing in the internal structure of the word kalima. Internal structure of the word. The word is changed. The word is accepts. The word accepts the changing of harakat. The word accepts the changing of letters to be added, to be omitted, altered, changed. So this change may involve adding, omitting letters inside the word, changing the order of letters are harakat. In broken plural, jama mukassar, taskir. In this situation, some of the examples, we understand this through the examples. Here, the first example, asadun, a lion. Asadun becomes plural usudun, means changing of harakat. Sakafun, roof, becomes plural sukufun. So this changing of harakat make them plural or give the concept of plural. In this connection, another example, Rasulun. Rasulun is the singular one, while Rusulun means one letter is omitted here. One letter is omitted here, and in the omission, when we drop one letter, that becomes plural. Kitabun, kutubun. This is the system, this is the way to make a plural one. Like the same, this is masjidun and plural is masajidun. Here alif, one letter is added to make plural. In this connection, various patrons, as I said, sound plurals. Jama Salim has only one patron, but Jama Mukassir or Taksir has various ways, various patrons, various changings to make plural. So, waladun, auladun, kalamun, akilamun, babun, abuabun. This is one of the patron. Safinatu, a ship. Plural has sufunun, madinatun, city. Plural mudunun. In this connection, ismun. Plural asmaun, shayun. Plural ashyaun. So you'll find, you may see many of the ways to make plurals. Imraatun. Plural has nisaun, quite changed, quite different. A word is completely changed in the connection. So this is the plural, broken plural, Jama Mukassar, which has got no any particular single rule, but has got various rules. Various rules. In Jama Mukassar, approximately 50 rules are adopted, are covered to make this Jama Mukassar. Some of the rules, awzan, which are dies, forms for Jama Mukassar, specially used, are most commonly used, we focus from those. So further look at those dies, awzan, to make plural of Jama Mukassar. So let's see some of the dies, some of the forms, awzan of Jama Mukassar. One common awzan, wazan, is af'alun. Fa, ain, lam is a standard 3 huruf, standard patron. 3 huruf standard patron of this awzan, wazan, die. Fa'ala, fa'ila, fa'ula, fe'la, the phrase. This is the fa, ain, lam, 3 huruf. we have to see, and then we'll find others are extra. As af'alun, fa ain lam. Before fa kalima, fa haraf, there is alif, that's extra. Ain, after ain, this alif is also extra. So this is the die, this is the form, this is the wazan, awzan, wazan. Through this wazan we have to make jama mukassar, taskir, taksir, jama taksir. Now see which is extra. I have written here. The extra are written here. Just the singular one is zikrun. Zikrun. Now a comes here. Fa kalma, ain kalma, lam kalma. Again this a is extra one. Zikrun becomes azkarun. Jama mukassar becomes from zikrun to azkarun. Azkarun is the plural from zikrun. Just like this, another waqtun, awqatun. Waqtun, awqatun. See, alif are the extra. This fa kalma, ain kalma, lam kalma. Awqatun, shaksun, ashkhasun, maradun, amradun. So this is the die from which jama mukassar is made. One of the common and well-known dies, because as I narrated, there are particularly, especially more than 50 rules for making jama mukassar or taksir, but some of them we learn here. Another, suppose af'ila'u, alif extra, fa kalma, ain kalma with kasra, lam kalma with nasab, and alif hamza. Just anbiya'u, awliya'u, anbiya'u. On this wazan, on this die, on this form, on this rule. With this rule, these jama mukassar are made. These are the jama mukassar. Another is, you see, fu'ulun, fu'ulun, fa kalma, ain kalma, lam kalma. On this die, on this form, on this rule, on this patron, just there's the word kalibun becomes kulubun, najimun, nujumun, baitun, buyutun. So like this is the die. Fi'alun, this fa kalma, kasra, ain kalma, nasab, alif extra, lam kalma, there's tanween, rafa. Jabalun becomes jibalun. Abdun becomes ibadun. Rajulun becomes rijalun. So this is the die. You see, various methods, various ways. There's not one patron, there's not one sequence, but there are different sequences, different patron, different ways, methods to make jama mukassir, taksir. This is fu'ala'u, gharibun, ghuraba'u, sharikun, shuraka'u, hakimun, hukama'u, fakirun, fukara'u. Like this. You see, fu'ulun, kutubun from kitabun, rusulun from rasulun. As in, I gave one example here that some letters are omitted, some letters are added to make plural Jama Mukassar. Here Kitabun, alif is omitted, alif is dropped to make plural Kutubun, Rusulun, Sururun, the bed, bed. Sarirun, it has been taken from Sarirun, it has been made from Sarirun. But the wazan, the die, the rule, the form is this fu'ulun on this patron. Some other patrons, we in short giving one example of those or some of the examples of other dies. So we have to see other examples as well. Further see these examples, look at these examples for Jama Mukassar and their awzan, dies, forms. The first one, fu'ala'u. Maybe I repeated this. Fu'ala'u, sulaha'u, tulaba'u, fukaha'u, ufaka'u, shufa'a'u. So, on this patron, salihun, sulaha'u, talibun, tulaba'u. So, this is the way how to make plural Jama Mukassar, broken plural, taksir. There are certain awzan, certain forms, certain dies which are applied. There are rules, but there are many rules. Maybe we may not keep all those rules into the mind, but some of them, fa'ala, this is a die, fa'ala, talaba, kafara, barara, sahaba, talaba. So these are the plural of on this form, on this rule, on this die, the plural. Again, af'alun, anwarun, anwa'un, aksamun, awsanun, atrafun, aknafun, ajdadun, asma'un. So, on this die, on this rule, on this wazan, you may see many of the Jama, plural, broken plural, Jama Mukassar are made. Taraf, atraf, Qism, aksam, Nur, anwar. So, again, mafailun is the awzan, wazan, mawaqi'u, moka, mawaqi'u, manaziru, nazirun, manaziru, to see, scenes, manaziru, scenes, mazahiru, manabiun, makariun, madarijun, masailun, masjid, masajidun. Mafailun is another wazan, mashahiru, makatibu, mazaminu, mazmun, mazaminu, masabi, fawailun, another wazan, another die, awamirun, shawahidun, shahid, shawahidun, jawahir, and fa'ailun, rabaibun, hadaikun, golden, jazairun, basairun, madainun. So you'll find many of the dies. However, Jama Mukassar and Jama Salim. Jama Salim has one patron to make its plural, whether masculine, whether feminine, and Jama Mukassar has many of the patrons to make, and many of the people also say that these can be, the words of Jama Mukassar can be memorized, kept into the mind, and you may not follow those rules, because rules are various, many, and may not be covered easily, because these are the short courses. So with this, uh, we completed number adad. We started from singular, dual, and plural. Plural was divided into two of the kinds, Salim and Mukassar. These were the examples of Mukassar with the different awzan, with the different rules, with the different dies and patrons. So hope they will help you to understand, to differentiate Jama Mukassar and Jama Salim. Jazakallahu khaira.